Hello and welcome students in a new video. This syllabus is from Maharashtra State Board. Today we are going to learn Standard 3, Subject English, Unit 2, Chapter 20, Festival Album. Children, in India there are many festivals which have been celebrated from many years. And so today in lesson number 20 we will see how to make festival album. Come on, let us start. Make a festival album with the help of your family and friends. Select any 10 festivals for your album. Collect information about each of the festival using these points. Name of the festival, why the festival is known by that name. If there is a story about the festival, you may write it in short. When does the festival occur? The date according to the Jan-December calendar this year. The date according to any other calendar every year. What do people do on that occasion? What special dishes are prepared at home? Do you invite other people to celebrate it with you? Is it a holiday in school? Do you send greeting cards and messages on this occasion? What do you write in them? Prepare a sample card. Now children, we will see the other points which we need to make the festival album. Try to get pictures or photographs suitable for the festival. You may also draw pictures related to the festival. Arrange your information and pictures, photographs in an artistic way on a big sheet of paper. Paste the photographs, pictures. Use color pencils, pens to write the information. See that your handwriting is neat and tidy. See the Makar Sankranti page given here. You may use other ideas for your album. When all 10 sheets are ready, pin or stitch them together. Use a blank sheet at the front and back to make a cover for your album. Write the name Festival Album on the front cover. Show your album to family and friends. Children, now let us see the Makar Sankrant album in our textbook. Makar Sankrant usually occurs on 14th January every year. This is the day when the sun starts Uttarayana, its 6 months long northward journey in the sky. On this day, the sun is supposed to move to the Makar or Capricorn sun sign. On this day, people in Maharashtra visit one another, give sesame sweets to younger people and say, Til gul ghya, god bola. Eat sweet, speak sweet. It's a sweet festival. So children, in this paragraph we have seen that people in Maharashtra, they visit everybody's place and they distribute sesame sweets to younger children or younger people and they say, Til gul ghya, god bola. That means take sweet, talk sweet. People make gulachi pori and khichdi on this day. On this day, women distribute fresh ears of grain, bits of sugar cane, vegetables, etc. in beautiful clay pots. It's a harvest festival. Women give one another gifts. It's a festival of gifts. So children, we have seen that in Maharashtra, people make gulachi pori and khichdi on this day as their meal on that day. Women, what they do, they distribute fresh ears of grain, bits of sugar, cane and vegetables in beautiful clay pots as it is known as the festival for harvesting also. Women gives one another gifts as it is known as festival of gifts also. This is what Makar Sankranti celebrated in Maharashtra. People in Gujarat fly beautiful kites on this day. It's a kite festival. In Tamil Nadu, this is the time of Pongal, the sun festival. Students, happy Makar Sankrant. Thank you children. Thank you for watching the video.